Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hey. For today's video, I am going to be showing you why cheddar cheese is your best applicator for Fenty. I'm kidding. No cheese on my face today. So, the perks of having a boyfriend is that sometimes boyfriends have ideas. So we're in the car and Dylan goes, babe, what if you do your makeup with a shock bracelet, like a shock system, like a shock thingy on your arm? You're linked up to electricity while doing your makeup. And I was like, great, we're breaking up. Oh my God. And so then I was like, okay, we can do that, but we gotta like challenge me a bit. So we came up, well, I didn't, but my manager came up with a couple of questions. They're right here. I'm gonna read the question, then I get 10 seconds to determine what my answer will be. If the answer is wrong, I will feel it on my arm. If it's right, I can just do my makeup as I always do in that step. There's no interruptions by any electricity. Thank you so much. If I'm wrong, first of all, I'm gonna know because this is gonna shock into my arm and I'm gonna feel it like I just did. But also, Dylan gets the opportunity to let me know that he's in the room with me and he's in charge during that step. Get it? I'm doing this for all of you, so please don't feel the need to go out and buy this for yourself and do it with your friends. I am the responsible one here. I'm taking this one for the team. Please don't do this at home. Thank you. So without any further ado, I'm scared. If you would like to see how I do my makeup while linked up to electricity falling into you, let's go. All right, so if you want to play along with the quiz, then go ahead and do so. Answer the questions with me and let me know in the comments down below if you were right. The first step is primer. Now, I don't really care if I answer this wrong because if I do, it's just smearing it on. I'm just gonna be in pain a lot. Don't you dare make it go off right now. Are you ready? I'm not. Question number 1. Okay, the most recent movie of the Marvel Universe is Captain Marvel, a story about a powerful superhero played by Brie Larson. What is not another movie Brie played a role in? A, Room, B, Kong Skull Island, or C, Ocean's 8? She played Room. See Ocean's 8. Right. I'm right! No shock from me, mama. I kind of got scared because I thought that, what's her name? Alicia Vikander. I thought she was in Kong Skull Island, but I was right. Let's prime, baby, prime. For primer today, I'm using the CoverFX gripping primer as well as the blurring primer. And symbol system, hello. So down in the screen, you will see if I either bought this with my own money, if I got this in PR, or if it is an affiliated brand. Well, it really didn't matter if I won this one or not because you can't really f this up, can you? Let's move on to question number 2. Where are the avocados? Where? You love the music of Billie Eilish, that is a fact, but what is her official name? A, Billie Eilish Pirate Baird O'Connell. What? B, Billie Eilish Hawkeye O'Connell. C, Billie Eilish Pirate Hat O'Connell. One of these is right. It's never gonna be Pirate Hat. B, Billie Eilish Hawkeye O'Connell.
It's A.
Billie Eilish Pirate Baird O'Connell? That means that Dylan can taunt me as I'm doing my foundation. For foundation today, I'm using The Ordinary. I heard you click something. Every time I hear you move, I'm like scared. So I'm just gonna pounce away. Don't you dare. Oh, just get this over with, just get it on and move. I'm near my eye. Careful. I'm near my eye. Don't do it. No. Villain. You need to. Get it on. Get it on. Babe! I'm near my hairline. I don't want foundation in my hair, okay? Calm down. I'm done. You can't do it anymore. With concealer, it is time for question number 3. Are you playing along? Did you get 1 and 2 right? Let me know down below. Okay, moving on to 3. Here we go. 3, you are a big sucker for scented candles, especially woodwick candles that crackle when they burn. What is not an official fragrance name for a woodwick candle? A, seaside mimosa. B, sand and driftwood. C, ocean sunset. I have B, so it's not B. A, seaside mimosa. I'm wrong? So they went for seaside mimosa, but they don't have an ocean sunset?
Nope.
Choices. For concealer, I'm using my Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. I'm near my eye. I need my eyes to work. Okay. If you love it, I'm going really near my eye now. I'm so scared. All right, moving on to powder. Put that remote down. Put it down. For powder, I want to set my face using the Fenty Beauty Butter Pro Powder. Moving on to the next question. You are a huge fan of RuPaul's Drag Race, where besides the eternal fame, contestants can win a lifetime supply of makeup from a certain brand. The makeup of what brand did the winner of the very first season win? A, Anastasia Beverly Hills. B, MAC Cosmetics. Or C, NYX Cosmetics. Ladies and gentlemen, you can suck my titties because it's MAC. It's B. I beat the system! Sucks for you that I watched that first season and I loved it. When you answer a question right, it really shows you how appreciative you are for not having electricity going through your arm. Okay, powder done. Moving on. So for the next one, it is absolutely vital. It is necessary that I answer it right because the next step is brows. Number 5, another Marvel movie you can't wait to see is the final Avengers movie, Endgame. Oh my God, I can't wait. Who is the first hero you see in the first official trailer of the film? A, Thor. B, Iron Man. C, Captain America. It's Iron Man because he's in space. It's B.
God damn it.
I'm right. I'm right. How does that feel, huh? Oh, I'm scared for the next one though. After this, I'm gonna carve out my brows, which is another question. And if I don't get them right and I carve my brows, it's like, whoa. Brows are done, and now because I have a very uneven brows, I always use carving out the brows to my advantage because I can actually like make them even and perfect and neat. This is a very intricate step that you need lots and lots of patience for and a steady hand. Moving on to question number 6. You live in the Netherlands. Oh my God. What are the 6 biggest cities of your country? Amsterdam, Rotterdam, The Hague, Utrecht, Groningen, Maastricht. B, Amsterdam, Rotterdam, The Hague, Utrecht, Eindhoven, Tilburg. Wat? C.
C?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm wrong?
Yes.
What is it?
It's B.
Tilburg? I detect lies. These are lies. Ah! Careful. I love you so much. Oh, I'd catch a grenade for you. Yeah, yeah. Get some shock waves in my arm for you. Yeah, yeah. Every time I think he's gonna do it, he doesn't. And then I'm like, Oh, I hate you so much right now. I was doing so good. Moving on, I've had enough. Next question is for eyeshadow. Last year, you had an Instagram live session with Eleni, the runner-up of the Eurovision Song Contest. I love her. Although we all love Fuego, the winner that year and the host for this year is Israel. How many times has Israel hosted the Eurovision Song Contest? A, this year will be the first time. This year will be the second time. This year will be the third time. I honest to God don't know. A, this year will be the first. I can't do this anymore. For the eyes today, I am using the James Charles Morphe palette. The James Charles Morphe palette, putting it down before it falls. But before we do that, of course, we have to Optimus Prime. So we're pouncing this on with a and we're using the purples. The purples, we're doing an entire matchy situation. Well, as you can see, I'm putting that color in. I'm taking the color single and putting it in the crease. Picking up this pinkity drinkity. We're about to blend. I'm gonna go around the perp. And we're just gonna soften that baby. Oh, look at that, that is a dream. I swear this video is taking 20 years off my life. We're not gonna grow old together because I'm gonna die because of this. Now I'm dipping into this. Oh, that is so good. It is time for Dylan's favorite part, the darkest shadow. This right here. Oh. Okay, now we're dipping into the purples for the lower lash line. The disrespect. You don't even have to do anything. I'm already messing this up on my own. I look like a train wreck. I'm like really close to my eyeball. Honey. Oh. We're highlighting the inner corner using ring light. Sorry, but I'm done. The next question will determine if I can do my eyeliner in peace or if it will be brutally abrupted by that one over there. Funko Inc. is the company that manufactures your beloved Funko Pops. What is the first ever bobblehead they created? A, Little Lion, B, Middle Monster, C, Big Boy. I don't know any of these. What is Big Boy? What is Middle Monster? What is Little Lion? I'm gonna go, oh my God, please, I can't take this anymore. I'm gonna go for Big Boy. C. I'm right? No, stop it. I'm right? I'm gonna do my line. I'm gonna do my line. Ooh. Still trash, but trash with a wing. Time for the next question, and the next question determines if I can do my lashes, mascara, and falsies in peace Or even though when I have my question right, still not doing a piece. Just like Rihanna, you are a huge fan of tattoos. What statement about Rihanna's tattoos is true? A, she has 20 to 25 publicly known tattoos. B, she has no more than 10 publicly known tattoos. C, she has 35 to 40 publicly known tattoos. Oh God, A or C, A or C. 20 to 25 or 35 to 40. A, 20 to 25. For as far as we know. Is it right?
Yep.
I can do my lashes and it feels so good. I'm just gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back. It is time for the next step. We have 2 steps left, which are cheeks. I just globalized the cheek portion. So cheeks is bronzer, contour, blush, the whole shebang-a-lang. And then after that, the final one is lips. Your mother language, Dutch, influenced a lot of English words. Really? What English word does not have a Dutch origin? A, amazing. B, boss. C, cookie. I really cannot afford for my heart to answer this wrong. So boss is baas, cookie is koekje, amazing is amazing. A, amazing. Stop. Oh, I thought you were gonna shock me. It's right?
Yep.
For bronzer, I'm using the Jouer Bronzing Duo, and I am affiliated with Jouer, so if you want to save money when ordering some products, you can use code Nikki at checkout, and that will save you some money, honey. Money. I've never been happier in my life that I'm about to tell you that it's time for lips. And the color that I'm using today is by Catrice. This is a Thunderbolt, that's the name, liquid glitter lipstick. So I believe this is like a dupe for the Ciate lipstick that you rub them together and the glitter pops out. All right. Funko Inc. is the company that manufactures your beloved Funko Pops. What is the, oh my God, I don't know this. What is the name of the founder? Oh my God. A, Mike Becker. B, Steve Becker. C, Hardy Becker. Does it say in the box? I'm like, hello? Oh, Mike Becker, A. I'm right? That's right, Mike. I knew that. I was just, mother flipping flip-flops.
That was the last one.
I win. And that's it, guys. That is what my face looks like. Overall, I think I did a pretty good job. A little every now and then. Let's not talk about that. But overall, I'm really proud of myself. Just in case, I took it off already because I don't trust him anymore. Also, 10 out of 10, wouldn't recommend this lipstick because it kind of gets in between your teeth and everything. So without any further ado, let's move on to today's Dutch word of the day. In the last video, the Dutch word of the day, of course, was for bones or bone, and that was bult. And Jelmer says, this makeup got me shivering to my bulte. Am I cheating because I'm Dutch already? Yeah, you are cheating. For today's Dutch word of the day, of course, electricity. Elektriciteit. Elektriciteit. Even I find this hard. I'm like, oh. As always, if you want to be featured in my next video, which is hopefully a lot less painful, you can leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day, or please leave a video response on Instagram under the hashtag Dutch word of the day. And who knows, you might see your face in the next video. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Currently, I love you so much more than my boyfriend. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Toodles! I'm gonna kill you.